Mary, table 7 has a problem. The customer says she is allergic to gluten.
Okay, I will tell the chef right now.
Wait, she also says she is allergic to dairy.
No problem, we have a dairy-free option.
And she is allergic to eggs.
Okay, I will check the menu.
And nuts. And soy.
John, what can she eat?
She says she can eat rice and vegetables.
We have a rice bowl with grilled vegetables. No gluten, no dairy, no eggs, no nuts, no soy.
Perfect. I will tell her.
Wait, ask her if she is allergic to anything else first.
Good idea. Pause. Mary, she is also allergic to garlic.
Okay, rice and vegetables, no garlic. I will talk to the chef.
Thank you, Mary. You are amazing.
I know. Now go before she finds another allergy.